So my first tip, considering that the compressor is already installed and in operation, but he is facing problems with the breakdown of the equipment, is to verify if the current operating conditions matches with the specification datasheet of the compressor. What I mean by that? When we do plant design, we design the compressor for the design conditions of temperature, pressure, and flow, and composition of the fluid. But once the compressor or the equipment is installed and the commissioning startup and plant performance of the plant is finished, the operation of the equipment goes to operations team or to operation personnel. And it's not uncommon, and sorry guys, it's the truth, that the operations do the operation of the equipment outside of the range of the design. And why they do that? They do that because they want to achieve the maximum or the maximum allowable production with the minimum required cost. This is normal, this is what happens, and if we don't operate the machine in the boundaries of its specification, of course that the breakdown will increase, although the quality of the equipment is high. So this is a point very important to be observed if you are in an old plant or if you are in a new plant. When I was dealing with a liquid CO2 plant installation, we were adding a new compressor for the project, and although the specification was operating the compressor at 14 bar G, for instance, the operations increased the set point of the pressure control until it was, for instance, 14.5, and no problem, it's operating, it's not having any kind of issue, so let's keep it this way because my transferring of liquid will be in a higher rate to the storage. So there are things you are not able to solve. This is the way that the plant is performing the operations, but we cannot blame or comply with the performance of the equipment if it's not under the boundaries of the design. So before thinking that is the fault of the supplier that you have too much breaks or too much maintenance to your equipment, first verify if your specification datasheet and your operation conditions matches.